In this video, I will show you how to get Japanese display name on Roblox without changing location. So let's get started. First, we will change our English language display name to Japanese. To do that, open Google Translate. Now change the other language to Japanese. Now enter your name and this will convert your name into Japanese. Now copy this Japanese name, open roblox.com and log in to your account details. Once you logged in, click gear icon at top right side. And from here, click settings. Under account info, you have your display name. Click edit icon and paste Japanese name in the pop-up and save immediately. If you do this quickly, then there will not be any issues and you don't even have to change the account location. As you can see, my Roblox display name is now in Japanese language. So that is how you can get Japanese display name on Roblox without changing location. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.